Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tiana if you're new here. For today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along with us for our 3-day trip. We're going down to Monterey. EJ's getting ready right now, but we will leave as soon as he's done. It's kind of embarrassing because EJ has this and he's almost done packing and it's like not full at all. And I have this full thing and that. So I wanted to show you guys what I've been using to plan our trip. I'm not like the biggest planner and I haven't really planned out everything, but I have like the bare minimum. And I've been like playing around with Notion. It's kind of hard for me to figure it out. Like there's just so much to know about Notion. But yeah, so I used it's one of their templates for travel. So basically I didn't change anything up here, but these are just like links, the packing list, and then this is like our itinerary. I just think it's so cool and so fun to have everything in one spot. And then this is like the map of Monterey. These pictures weren't changed from the original template, but I'm planning on changing those soon. But yeah, it's been really fun learning how to use Notion and stuff. This is my little life hub. But yeah, Notion's been super fun to try and learn, especially when I had COVID. I was kind of bored, so I just decided to try to learn some Notion stuff. So we've been back for a week now, and I thought I would show you guys the updated planner. So the first thing, I changed the background or the cover to a picture that I took when we were at the Monterey Bay Aquarium. And I don't know if these are new. I think this one might be new. And then I made these drop-down lists instead, so they didn't take up as much space. And I finished a lot more of this, and then I added the status over here. So this one's also, I changed to a drop-down list. These were extra things that my mom sent us to do if we wanted, with just links and stuff, which I think is really cool. And if we ever feel like going back, then we still have those things. And then the map was there before, and I updated all the pictures. A lot of them were from the aquarium, which was really fun. And then Louie Linguini, which was one of the restaurants we went to. And then those little guys you'll see later on in the video. But yeah, that's our updated Monterey planner.
Starbucks with you, started for you.
Starbucks. I just got a tall hot chocolate and then I got some egg bites. I got the bacon and Gruyere egg bites. These are my favorite. And then I just got a little coffee cake. And right now we are filling up on some gas. Here's our hotel. Alright, so this is our room. This is the bed, obviously. And then there's like a little living room area with a TV. And then when you come over here, this is like a little breakfast nook area. And then out there is a balcony, but it's too dark, so I'll show you tomorrow. And then this is the bathroom. We are getting ready to go eat. But yeah. Right, I'm all ready to go. I'm gonna get the potato gnocchi. So we got some clam chowder for our starter. How's the clam chowder, baby?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Did you burn your mouth?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. here's the gnocchi, and then EJ got schooner pasta. So we just got back. We went to Target and got some things because I realized I forgot my View blender at home. So I got this one from Sonia Kashuk, but this is a body sponge blender. I didn't realize that until just now, but I'm still excited to use it. And then we also got some snacks and like breakfast foods. We got some blueberry muffins, and then we got some small chocolate muffins, and then we also got some Starbucks Frappuccino stuff. We are going to just relax for the rest of the night, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, we're getting ready to leave. I thought I'd show you our balcony. So this is our balcony. We get 2 chairs and a little table, and then pretty view with some running water. Yeah, it's so cute. We are headed to the aquarium now. So we found some Christmas ornaments, but we haven't found our ornaments for this year, so we might get one here. We're just trying to find the right blobfish. So I'm getting this Dumbo octopus, it's so cute. And AJ is getting this blobfish. Wow, stunning. I did not realize that those are $30 each. So we're back at the hotel. We're trying to figure out where we want to eat dinner now. So I found a restaurant called Louie Linguini, which has some like seafood but also pasta and like Italian stuff. So we're gonna go there. It is almost time to go, so I'm just gonna get ready to go. Just touching up some of my makeup. Got some garlic bread. So I got the fettuccine alfredo with some Italian sausage, and EJ got the margarita pizza. We're all done with dinner. I'm gonna force EJ to go to a tourist shop with me because I don't normally go to tourist shops, so we're gonna go to a shop. So the little touristy shop that I wanted to go to was closed, so we just ended up walking around for a little bit. It was freezing outside, so we are heading out. We're gonna go see if we can find a boba store and get some boba, and then we'll go back to the hotel. So we found the boba place, but there was no parking anywhere near it, so we're actually just gonna go to a Starbucks, see if there's any parking or drive-thrus or anything. If not, then we're just going home. Alrighty guys, so we have our Starbucks and the fire is going. We're going to watch a show and then just relax for the rest of the night. Hey guys, we are getting ready to check out. Everything is ready. My stuff is over by the door. But yeah, we're gonna go check out now.